Today we'll read significant figures. Significant figures are very important in exam point of view. Every year, question is asked from the significant figures in NEET or other exams. Let's discuss about the significant figures. Significant figures are the one which refers certainty or uncertainty in a measurement. Certainty or uncertainty. Let's take an example. If one student is asked to measure some length of a rod by using a meter scale whose resolution is 0.1 cm or 1 mm, and he measured the length as 5.52 cm. Can he do this? No, he cannot do this. If he write this, then it is wrong, because he can measure up to 1 mm or up to 1 decimal point. This figure cannot be given because his resolution is 0.1 cm. Okay, if it is measured in a vernier scale or a screw gauge, then the resolution will be like this, but in a meter scale it cannot be measured like this. So here this is the least precision. Okay, so the significant figures counts the certainty or uncertainty or precision of an instrument. Okay, the result of the measurement should be reported as per the precision or measurement depend upon LC of the instrument, least count of the instrument. It depends upon the least count of the instrument. The reported result include all the reliable numbers plus first uncertain digit, that is number of significant figures. How the number of significant figures are measured? It is all the certain figures plus one uncertain figure. Okay, so let's take an example. 259.5 cm. In this measurement, 259 is certain, where 5 is uncertain. So number of significant figure is 4. 3 plus 1, here 3 certain plus 1 uncertain. Okay, is equal to 4. The number of significant figures are 4. Okay, so the number of significant figure is total number of significant figures plus one first uncertain figure, that is insignificant figure. Okay, change in units does not change the number of significant figures. Okay, 5.235 cm is equal to 0.05235 meter is equal to 52.35 mm. In all cases, number of significant figures is 4. Let's take an example. 5.235 cm is equal to 0.0523 5 meter. Okay, is equal to 52.35 mm. Okay, here 5.235 cm, if you convert it in meter, then we have to divide it by 100. Okay, this becomes 0.05235 meter or equal to mm. If you convert it to mm, then cm is converted to mm, then we have to multiply it by 10. So 52.35 mm. Okay, all these cases the number of significant figure is 1 2 3 4. Here is 4, here is 5 2 3 5 is equal to 4, here is 4, here is also 4. Okay, now the rules. Okay, now we will read the rules. There are certain rules which we have to follow when we count the significant figures, number of significant figures. All the non-zero digits are significant. In the measurement 1 2 5 9 6 9, all the non-zero digits, okay, all the non-zero digits are significant. 1 2 5 9 6 9, all are significant. There is no insignificant figure here. Okay, all the zeros between the two non-zero digits are significant irrespective of the position of the decimal point. That is, all the zeros 230.008. Here all the zeros between the two non-zero digits 3 and 8, between them 3 zeros are here. All the zeros are here significant, or the number of significant figure is here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 number of significant figures are here. Okay, then zeros between the decimal point and the first non-zero digit to its right are not significant. That is, 0 point in 0.000069. Okay, it has only two significant figures because these are the only placeholders. These zeros are only placeholders, and this zero is for appearance only. Okay, these are not the significant figures, so the number of significant figure here is 2. Okay, and come to the multiplying or division factors which are exact number have infinite number of insignificant figures. That is, the perimeter of a circle. Okay, the perimeter of a circle is perimeter P is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, here 2 is a fixed exact number. Okay, it is 2 pi r plus pi r, or 2 into pi r. Okay, so 2 is here a fixed exact number. It has infinite number of significant figures. We can write here 2.00 or 2.0, 2.0000 as our wish. Okay, so also in the case of pi here, we can take pi is equal to 22 3 point infinite number of, we can take pi 3.1 or 3.14 or 3.1415 etc. as our wishes. Okay, it has also a infinite number of significant numbers. Now come the terminal or trailing zeros without the decimal point are not significant. The terminal zeros in case of 12400, the terminal zeros without the decimal point, remember that this is without the decimal point, are not significant. That is, in 12400 the number of significant figure is 3. Okay, here the number of significant figure is 3 because in 124 the fourth number is uncertain. Okay, it it is equal to 12450, or this number is between 12450 12350. This number is between, its range is in between this. Okay, so these two numbers are insignificant. We are uncertain about the 50, these 50s, last 50s. Okay, so thus the trailing zeros are not significant. Okay, 12400, these trailing zeros are not significant. If we want to signify these trailing zeros are significant number, then we have to put decimal point here, that is 12400 point. This number has 5 number of significant figures. Okay, in order to signify this or certain these two last trailing number, we have to put a decimal point here. Okay, then only it will be a significant, then zeros will be significant. That's why it is written as without the decimal point. Okay, trailing zero with a decimal point are significant figures. With decimal points, trailing zeros 12400.00, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it has 7 number of significant figures. Okay, so in the case of 0.007800, it has, these zeros are not significant, but 7800, it has 4 number of significant figures. With the decimal point, the trailing zeros with the decimal point is significant. Okay, now take an example, conversion of, when we convert the units, 2.50 meter is equal to 250 cm is equal to 2500 meter millimeter. Okay, now consider the example, if we convert 2.50 meter into cm and mm, then what happens? Here the number of significant figure is 3. Here the number of significant is 2. Okay, this is the trailing zeros without decimal point. This is 2. This is also 2. Okay, here the error comes. Okay, if you convert these numbers units, if we convert the units meter into cm mm, okay, then the number of significant changes. In order to avoid this ambiguity or confusion, we have to write it in scientific notation. Okay, scientific notation, that is scientific notation. Scientific notation, we have to write it in scientific notation, that is, if we want to convert 2.50 meter into cm, okay, then we have to write here like this, 2.50 into 10 to the power 2 cm. Okay, or equal to 2.50 into 10 to the power cube 10 to the power 3 mm. In this way, in here like a into 10 to the power b form. Here a is less than 1 and b is the power of 10. This is the order of this quantity. Okay, this order of the magnitude, this is called order of the magnitude. Then we have to write it, a is less than 1 here. Okay, and a is between 1 and 10. Sorry, a should be between 1 and 10 and b is the power. Okay, a should be between 1 and 10. Okay, now 0 put on the left of decimal point, number is less than 1, 0.567 etc. are not significant. However, 0 at the end of such numbers are significant. That is, okay, we have discussed it. Okay, the trailing zeros, 0 put on the left decimal points number are not significant. Okay, 1, 0 put on the left of decimal point, okay, 0.567 left of decimal point, this is not significant. Okay, however, zeros put at the, that is, if we put 0 here, this is significant, this is not significant. In multiplication or division, the final number of significant figure, the least number of significant figures contained in the parent number. Okay, in multiplication or division of a physical quantity, what happens? Number of significant is counted the least number of significant in the parent numbers. That is, when 4.254 by 2.2 rho, we are determining the density of a metal, okay, whose mass is 4.254 gram and its volume is 2.2 cm3. Okay, it is equal to 1.9 gram per cm3. Okay, why this is so? This would be 1.9 something, but we have to count it. In order to, final result is, if we count the number of significant figure in multiplication or division, the physical quantity is the least number of the least number of significant figures. Here the significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here in between these two physical quantities, the least number of significant figure is here, the 2. Okay, so in the result it should be 2 significant figures. Okay, Remember that in multiplication we have to count the least number of significant figures. Least number of significant figures. But in addition and subtraction we have to count the least number of decimal places. Take an example. 9.99 cm minus 0.0099 cm. In this case, what happens? We have to subtract it and subtract it as per the significant rule. Okay. Now 9.99, okay, we have to subtract 0.0099. Two zeros are here. Now we have to subtract it. Okay, this is 1, this is 0, this is 8, this is 9. This is the result. But the least number of decimal places, the least number of decimal places here is in these two number is 3. A 2. After decimal point it is 2, after decimal it is 4, it is 2. So the least number is 2. So we have to count up to 2 decimal point. That is correct. Answer is 9.98. Okay. Now the rounding of the uncertain digit. In case of rounding of the digit, now take an example. 7.549. We have asked to round it up to 2 decimal points. Okay. The question can be of two types. Up to decimal point or up to the significant figure, sig fix, or significant figure is written as sig fig or up to sig fig. If we are asked to round off up to 2 decimal points, then we have to look the digit, okay, the insignificant digit to be dropped. Okay, here we have asked to round off up to 2 decimal point, then we have to choose the number 9 which is to be dropped, and this figure is uncertain. Okay, if this figure which is to be dropped, okay, which is to be dropped is greater than 5, then this preceding number will add +1. Okay, if it is less than 5, then it will be as usual. Okay, in this case rounding up to 2 decimal point, this will be 7.55. okay, if it is 3, then rounding up to 2 decimal point, the result will be 7.54. It will be unchanged. Okay. Okay. And if we are asked to 3 significant figures, okay, like this, the 3 significant figure is 754. Okay, up to 2 significant figure is, then we have to count 7 and 5. Then we have to take the uncertain digit is 4. Okay. 2 ways it is asked. up to decimal point up to significant figures. How many significant figures? Okay. Now, if the uncertain figure is 5, okay, if the uncertain figure is 5, the preceding, we have to look the preceding number. If it is odd, okay, then we have to add +1. If it is even, simple drop